Hey guys, welcome back to Gilly Guys Bike Hacks. Today I am gonna repair this road bike. I took it out on a test. Seems to be doing good, but sealant's leaking out and I got a loose spoke. If you guys know how to repair a road bike, please send me all the support and advice you can give me. This is a specialized bike, a specialized road bike. Has a specialized shit here, Shimano components, and things an ATB, all-terrain bicycle. About this ride, it's not an e-bike, it's an old bike. Like, this bike's still in good condition, just brakes need installing, and it's it's a hellstorm. This bike's okay, like the derailleur's bent and all that. So I'm gonna leave a link down below of my Patreon to fund me to make this bike build happen. Cause personally, I don't own this road bike. I'm fixing it up for a friend. And yeah, this is a road bike. As you know, I'm a mountain biker, so like mountain bikers aren't friends with roadies, and I'm pretty much a both. Like, I like road bikes and mountain bikes. I hate BMX. She also asked me to remove these antlers, which I can try to, but I'm gonna have to get a chainsaw and saw them off, and it's like carbon dust. But it is kickstandless. It takes inner tubes, and I think I should take this thing on a test. 26-inch adults roadie. Maybe not big chunks. Okay. Road bike seems to be doing good, like an average road bike would. Taking this thing on a test drive. I can't shift. Front brakes are broken, like I told you. And yeah. But I'll give this bike a 7 out of 10. But see you guys in the next episode of Road Bike Repair.